Welcome to the Fresh Tech Productions channel. Today, I'll be showing you guys of the most useful TubeBuddy features that I have found. But before getting started, I'm going to be giving you guys today's installments of Riddle Time. And today's riddle goes like this. You can catch it, you can pass it on, you can get it, but you cannot throw it. What is it? To get the answer to that riddle, please stay tuned until the end of this video to find out. Now to begin, about 2 days ago, I got this email from TubeBuddy, which gave me an offer for a free trial. So the options they gave me was for a 7-day free trial for pro level only with no credit card, so it will give you 30 days of either pro trial, star trial, or legend trial with a credit card. But since I currently don't have a credit card, I just go ahead and click on that one. Then it carried me to this web page. Give it a few seconds to load here. So earlier today, it showed me Pro 7-day free trial status is active and gave me the date March 25, which is exactly 7 days from today. Now at first, I was quite used to using this particular keyword search. I'll just copy this right here and show you what's going on. So just copy this and carry it over, and there's a keyword explorer. Then after keyword explorer is opened, just explore that. And at first I was getting the unweighted response, and it was something I was saying very good and giving me a very nice number. Now I really didn't have this weighted option from before, since I didn't have the use of that. But now after getting it, I see a much lower number, and it's giving me more specific details about the video and how it may do on my channel. And I find that to be very helpful. And you can also go over into the results. It will show you your particular channel and the channel that is ranking higher as regard that particular search term, and you can see all the various results that comes up for that particular search term, and it's looking quite nice so far. And it also helps you out when you are doing an upload. So since I'm currently uploading a video, I'll just show you guys real quick of the stuff that you can do. I might have to wait until it's 100% processed, so I'll end this video right here and continue a little bit later. So I am now back after the video is finished uploading and processing, and here I've just added in my description, and I've ensured that my description also has the full words for the title. And I went ahead and tagged my video. Wait, this is kind of hard to, yes, it's aligned. I went ahead and tagged my video once more with the exact same title name, which gives the video a good push on your channel. Then as for the tags, I had for default Tech Answers and Fresh Tech Productions. But as for the help I have gotten from TubeBuddy so far, is that the recommended tags, they have recommended to me Android tips, secret Android settings, Android secrets, Android hidden features, Android secret settings, and Android features you didn't know. And there are quite a lot of stuff that are quite interesting to use as my tags, and this is quite helpful. I really wasn't expecting to get this free trial. It's very nice to use, and you guys could go ahead and check out this browser add-on, or YouTube add-on I should say, called TubeBuddy. It's very helpful for especially a new YouTuber like myself. And also you can upload your custom thumbnail, and this allows you to add or apply your in-screen template and so on. And this is an exclusive tool from TubeBuddy. As you can see, the TubeBuddy drop down right there, and it just shows you the regular YouTube stuff. It doesn't really show you anything much like that. As you see, you can use it and create your thumbnails, and you can apply your card templates. I have an end screen templates which I can apply. Go ahead and hit apply now, and it has been successfully added. And up here it gives you a very nice checklist for a compelling title, which I've done a little earlier, and just check that. Enter a complete description, went up, and there it is. I have that for check, add descriptive tags, and this browser add-on gave me quite a lot of stuff I could add on, and it was quite nice to use. Anyway, add check, create a custom thumbnail. I've done that in the exact same sequence that I've shown from an earlier video, which I think I'll be tagging at the top right corner just about now. Then there is another one that's about monetize or advanced settings. If you're not sure what something is, you can just go ahead and use that arrow and it will show you. But since my channel isn't anywhere near being monetized, I won't have any such settings to change for adding info cards and for adding this video to a playlist. So I'll just go ahead and add this video to a playlist just about now. And you guys can go ahead and check out my playlists. I've recently created them. I think it was a little earlier today. And I was to start a bit to bit promotion. So does it continue? And it continue. Start promotions. And it's processing all my videos. What I forgot to mention is that the bit-to-bit promotion simply adds the specific video URL to all your previous videos. It closes, and now the video is free to be published. And now it's done, and it will do one final check for best practices. It shows how many of the best practices are completed and how many are left out. As for the riddle, I know you guys have been waiting so much for that riddle segment, and here is a reminder of the question. You can catch it, you can pass it on, you can get it, but you cannot throw it. What is it? And the answer? A cold. As we may know it, if you are to analyze this riddle, you can of course catch a cold and you can pass it on, which is not recommended to do, and you can get it. Of course, going out you can get a cold very easily, and seriously I haven't heard of anyone throwing a cold. Anyway, so now the end of the video. Please like, share and subscribe and get that TubeBuddy add-on. It's very nice to use, and it's to change how you upload your videos, because I honestly didn't pay much attention to most of the stuff that it showed me to do, as I didn't yet know of those settings. Again, please like and subscribe and share this video. Goodbye.